If you have a phone, you might be using it almost regularly for taking pictures and videos. But what about when it's a serious affair, like going to shoot an event, corporate event, exhibition or expo yourself? Here are a few tips which I would suggest to follow you to get maximum higher quality footages and videos of your event, so that the marketing team is happy with you that you did a good job. Starting with number 1, the first thing is cleaning the lens. If your phone has camera bumps, clean it with cotton or some other cloth. Other thing is to, if there is some filter or film applied, remove it. It will make the things worse, because if you are going to shoot in indoor light where light is less, the film will impact the quality of photos. Moving on to more serious things, point number 2 is making sure to use natural light. Because it's obvious that if you are using a mobile phone for photography or videography, you are not going to carry a massive light which photographers carry. So in this case, your best friend is natural light. Natural light means light coming from windows of sunlight, if it's open space. If it's closed space, the light from LED and other light sources which are there, try to utilize it. Here is one more tip. If you are going to shoot in front of LED, the images would look bad. But if you just flip and turn your face towards the LED and camera from the LED to the subject would be illuminated. They will have perfect lighting and your images and videos would look much better. The third thing, it's when you click on that anywhere on camera screen, a box and a lock icon appears. That's exposure lock. So if you are trying to shoot from one place at a stage that everyone would be coming there to speak, lock the exposure at one place and then shoot, so that all your photos and videos look consistent. And a tip more advanced here is locking the white balance too. White balance option is almost there in every phone and camera. So most probably it would be set in auto white balance. But your job before shooting is to try to change the settings. Tungsten and other things are there, fluorescent light. Depending upon the lighting of the scene and how you want your pictures to look, it will auto adjust, it will lock the white balance, so all the images and videos have consistent look across. The other major point, the first point after locking exposure, is locking your focal length too. It means the zoom. Do not try to use zoom always. It's better to lock the subject, move towards them. Like if the speaker is locked, you want to take some close-up, some long-in shots, these things. So the better idea is to move instead of just zooming. When you will move, it will unlock more perspectives. And when you are doing this, try to not go at 0.6x or 1x. Generally 2x is preferred because the focal length creates better shape of the subject. The fifth point for a stable video is that there is a setting, image stabilization or video stabilization, in almost every phone and camera these days. Apart from this, one thing is how you hold your camera or mobile phone. We are talking about mobile phone mostly. So instead of keeping your phone like this and doing that, it's not preferred. Try to do slow movements like this, locking the subject and moving your phone like this or like this. So these things will improve your photography and videography for the event. The sixth point, when you are shooting on mobile phone, it's very common to get on vertical mode and start shooting. So if you are going to record your video for YouTube or some other platform where the video resolution is horizontal, make sure to hold the phone horizontally across the video when you are taking video footages. For images, both works, vertical as well as horizontal. It can be mixed, but for videos, strictly stick to one format, and if you are a beginner, the format should be horizontal. Coming on to candids. You are going to shoot the event, don't get locked on the main stage area only. Your job is to take candidates of speakers, people, other involved persons too. I have a video in this series which explains in detail which footages to must take in any event. So you can check out that too. The other next point is keep editing in mind. If your phone support log for video, slog, or for phone raw images, try to capture that, because in low light situation, especially for event hall, This settings help because when you will take images in a raw format, there would be more data preserved. So as a photo editor, video editor, you or your teammate would find it easier to color correct things you have done by mistake. The last point is to know your gear, because you are using your mobile phone and you have no idea how long the video camera would run on the battery. So make sure you have enough battery and enough storage before shooting the event, because in midway, if it fails, you are gone. If you want more tips how to do it properly, I have other videos in this playlist which will teach you just that. And if you have shot the event and want someone to edit it professionally, I have a service called Video Editor on Demand for events. Check out the description. There are the details of my website and WhatsApp number by which you can connect and avail the service. And if you are hosting your event in Bangalore, India, want me to capture, shoot, photograph, keep editing, everything included, can contact for the same. The details are in the description. Check out the other videos. I am signing off for this video. Thank you.